Hi, this is Sharon at SoundMarketing.Mobi. We are social media optimization architects. What this means is that we optimize your project, business, or service in a variety of social media platforms. We do this by directing your message about you from the viewer's interest. Following are samples of what we do and some reviews. Our approach is always to direct your message from the viewer's interest. Because we do this, we're able to sustain a large viewer connectivity, including to inspire viral response and activity to your message. We capture social media viewer response on each post. So if you'd like to see a live social media posting with viewer response, either subscribe to our YouTube or call, Skype, or email. We'll set up a 18 to 20 minute screen viewing.